Hey guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I am super excited about something brand new from Pink&Main. Me and a bunch of my buddies are doing a guest design spot for Pink&Main because they have got something brand new out. It's not this. I've done another video with this one, so it's not the bears. The bears are super cute, but it's these. So this is basically a couple of die sets. This is the Pink&Main Card Cut Essentials Die Bundle. And this was designed by our very own Kendra Morgan with Cards by Kendra. It's only available at Pink&Main. There's going to be lots of sketch ideas available, and our team is celebrating the release with multiple giveaway hops. Yes, giveaways across Instagram and YouTube. The giveaway link will be down in the description, and the playlist will be down in the description as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started making some things with this. I did go ahead and stamp out these cute little bears from the Pink&Main Bear Hug stamp set. I think they are super adorable. So those are already done. Now I just need to cut out the papers and assemble my cards. So this die set, or these die sets, the bundle, they are perfect for cutting 6x6 pattern paper, which is going to fit perfectly in my Platinum 6. So I want to make sure that it doesn't shift around at all. Not that it's really going to matter a whole lot, but I don't want to cut off an edge anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and just tape this down. So I picked out a couple of pieces of pattern paper. The paper I'm using is from the Bright Botanicals paper pack from Pink&Main. And we're just going to cut out a couple of pieces. So first off, when you cut out your little pieces using the die, you got this nice little stitched line all the way around. You also basically have no waste. Here is what was left when I finished cutting out one of those square panels. There's hardly anything left, right? So you're not wasting any of your cardstock. So the first card that I'm going to make, I'm going to use this card sketch. There are a bunch of sketches that you can use, and one I'm going to use for this card requires 3 banners. So I did cut out 3 panels. So I used up 3 pieces of my pattern paper, but I have a bunch left to play with. I'm also going to use some foam because I love my foam. I'm always using a little bit of foam for dimension, and I'm just going to put that on the back of these. This is double-sided papers though, so I could do a variety of things. I kind of like that. I think that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. So I've got lemons, I've got flowers, and then I've got this green in the middle, and there's green in both, so that's kind of where my logic went. Okay, I want these to, let me do the one in the middle first, because I want them to kind of be centered, right? I'm going to line it up with the edge of the top. So this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch A2 size card base. And I'm going to line that up right about there. And that looks like it should be in the middle. And what I'm doing is I'm using my grid mat to tell me when I've got it positioned about correct. So that should be right in the center. And now I can put the other 2 pieces down. So now I've got my 3 banners down, and I need to pick out one of my cute little bears to go on the front. I kind of want to go with that one. And this sketch also asks for a little banner down there. I've already got sentiment cut out, so I'm going to just use this one instead, because the sketches are, of course, a starting point. And I'm going to adhere my little guy down there and add a little bit of foam to the bottom part of his body, so that he lays flat across. And I think I do need a little bit of foam to go on the back of our sentiment as well. Since everything else is popped up, I think that'll look good. And there we go. That card is all finished. Got enough pieces though? I think I want to make another card. So there's 3 super quick cards. I think it took me longer to color up the bears than it did for me to actually put everything together. I'm loving these dies. They actually work really, really well for this purpose, and that's coming from somebody who doesn't do a lot of sketch cards. But these made it super easy. Super easy to put together. So we've got this one that says sending hugs with those 3 pretty banners. This one, we've got 3 squares going across and a little bear holding a treat saying, I can barely wait to see you again. And then this last one with 3 more banners in a different direction saying, thank you very much. And I've still got a lot of those bits done. And that was just from 3 pieces of patterned paper. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Check out the rest of the hop. Enjoy all of the fun inspiration there, and be sure to enter into the giveaways so that hopefully you will be a winner. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video.